Gee, tell you what, guys, check this out. I don't know about you, but we've come across many obstacles before, but man, that looks kind of frightening. Who wants to go in? You know me, I'm all or nothing, but I'm also very big. I'm also pretty tall. I don't know if I can make it. I mean, you're talking about scraping my dome. Man, I don't know. You guys want to do this? I mean, I see a little bit of a current up there. I see a little tiny bit of a current. Like some flowing waters. I don't know. Let's go ahead and try it. It's going to be kind of crazy though. Yeah, the waters are really shallow out here. I can stick to the side. You know, it's only like 2 feet deep on the side. Yeah, alright, let's see what we can do here. Am I going to have to lean back? Because I know it's not a great big fishing spider, is it? I do see spiders. Yeah, you're going to tell me, man, you're going to get a spider on your scalp. Yeah, I'm scraping my head on this thing. Look at all these spiders. Yeah, see? Look how close we are. I don't even have to paddle. Yeah, this is wild. I don't even have to paddle. All I have to do is just do this. Watch me get stuck. Who knows how deep this water is? Uh-oh. Oh no, it's really shallow up there, I think. I'm hoping that's just the reflections of that thing up there. But I think I see some orange. I'm not sure. But I don't want to get stuck under here. Some great big spider or something. I'm hoping it's just the muck and the stuff that's reflecting. I hope you like these scary adventures. As long as I get past this threshold, I keep turning. I can't stop turning. I can't go straight. Oh, I see what the current's caused by. They got themselves a little dam up here. Some kind of makeshift dam where they won't let you cross. Maybe it's a backup. Man, yeah, look at this. This is what I was afraid of. What the heck? Man, am I going to have to get out and walk like the rest of the way? It looks that way. I gotta slow down. So I'm going to put my hand on some spider. There's going to be a spider in there. There's going to be a snake in there. They're just cellar spiders. That's all they are. They don't bite. Alright. How are we going to get up in here? I see like 4 turtles in there. We're not going to be able to get up in there. Unless we meander through the depths of the water that's only like an inch deep. Alright. Any Native American carvings? No. Alright, let's see what we can do. Because we're probably about half a mile from a creek. I mean, there's the creek, but from the real creek. Yeah. Those caterpillars. And then you got this bad boy here. Yeah, I know some of you guys are scared. I know. Some of you people are scared. This is nothing. I just don't like being trapped in some location where I can't get past. I like being free as a bird. And this is not free. Man. See, that water is going to be like 5 or 6 feet deep right there. You know it is. I don't know if we're going to be able to go. I'm not about to be walking in some quicksand through here and get stuck. But it looks that way.